The morning sun peeked through the kitchen window as Mom stepped outside, watering can in paw, ready to tend the garden. Bluey and Bingo trailed behind, tails wagging, curious about every little plant that shimmered with dewdrops. "Today we're going to make the garden sparkle," Mom announced, her voice soft but full of cheerful energy. She poured water gently over the tiny seedlings, droplets catching the sunlight like little jewels. Bluey leaned forward, sniffing the fresh earth. "Mom, does the water make the plants happy?" Mom chuckled. "Yes, every drop helps them grow strong and tall," her tone calm but full of love and care. 5 seconds later, Bingo squealed, "Look, a snail." Mom knelt carefully, showing the children how to watch without disturbing it. Bluey giggled, "It's sliding so slow," while Bingo gently touched a leaf, the water trickling onto her paws with a cool splash. Mom moved to the rose bush next, spraying water evenly across the leaves, making them glisten. She taught Bluey and Bingo how to aim the can so the soil soaked but the flowers stayed safe. "Plants drink like we do, sip by sip," she explained, her eyes soft with tender care. 10 seconds later, Bluey spotted a patch of herbs, their aroma filling the air. Bingo sniffed each one, pretending to be a chef choosing magical flavors. Mom laughed, "You can taste later, but careful not to overpluck." Bluey sprinkled a few drops from her tiny watering can, mimicking Mom perfectly, feeling proud of her little effort. The garden grew brighter under the soft morning sun, every plant shimmering with life. Mom showed them how to check for droopy leaves, teaching the girls patience and attentiveness. Bluey whispered, "I want to take care of the garden every day," and Bingo nodded eagerly, her eyes wide with curiosity. After finishing the watering, Mom wiped her paws on her apron and hugged the girls tightly. "The garden is happy because of you both," she said, her voice full of warm love. Bluey and Bingo beamed, tails wagging, proud of their small but meaningful contribution. Mom turned to the camera with a bright smile.